Hey there. If you sell on eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Mercari, Amazon, or any mix of them, you already know the 1099K that shows up in January is a mess. That gross number includes sales tax the platform already paid, shipping the buyer covered, and orders you refunded, none of which is actually your profit. This is the Marketplace Seller 1099K fee and tax reconciliation tracker, and it turns that scary gross number into the real net profit that belongs on your Schedule C. Let me show you around. We start on the Start Here tab. It explains in about 3 minutes why this file exists, how to set it up, the daily habit that keeps it accurate, and what to do in January when the forms arrive. Worth reading once before you dive in. Next is the dashboard. This is your headline view for the period. Gross sales, total fees, cost of goods, net profit, your effective fee percentage, and which platform is treating you best and worst. One glance and you know how the business is really doing. The Settings and Fee Model tab is where the accuracy comes from. You set your tax year, your mileage rate, your tax set-aside rate, and the fee table for every platform you sell on. Every fee on your sales ledger is calculated from this table, so you check it against your current seller fees and overwrite it. 2 minutes here makes every other number right. The sales ledger is the heart of the file, 1 row per order across every platform. You enter about 12 things, and the sheet calculates 10 more, including your true net profit after every fee. Inventory and COGS tracks what you buy. 1 row per item or lot, and it follows units sold, units still on hand, your cost basis, your margin, and how long stock has been sitting, which is the number that tells you what to put on sale. The 1099K reconciliation tab is the star. When the forms arrive, you type each platform's box 1A figure into the yellow column. The sheet compares it to what you recorded, flags any platform that doesn't tie out, and then walks that total all the way down to net profit, which is exactly the conversation your accountant wants to have. The expense log captures your deductions, map to schedule, C-line numbers with business use percentage, and receipt tracking built in. The mileage log is an odometer-based trip log at your chosen rate per mile. This is the deduction most resellers underclaim, and here it adds up automatically. The quarterly tax planner shows your profit by quarter, what you should have set aside, what you actually saved, and the gap, so estimated taxes never catch you off guard. Profit by platform answers the question that really matters: which marketplace actually makes you money after fees, not just which one has the highest sales. Profit by month and category shows your seasonality and which product categories are quietly carrying your margin. And the tax prep checklist gives you a year-end closeout routine and a clean handoff summary you can send straight to your accountant, and that's the whole system. It records every order once, calculates your true net, and bridges your 1099K down to Schedule C, and it works in both Excel and Google Sheets with no macros or add-ons. If tax season on the marketplaces has ever stressed you out, the link to grab it is in the description. Thanks so much for watching.